sir?
How you doing, sir?
How you doing, sir? Good morning.
Good morning.
Welcome to another day at Velocity Cut.
Velocity Cuts, first day of the week, Tuesday. What's today? Today is September 10th, and we're gonna put in a lot of work today, man.
You sound real dry today, but
What's up, YouTube? It's
that's what I'm saying.
Barber up
That's
here.
what I'm saying. Sir. A package. All right, you guys, before we start today off, we got somebody special coming in later on, like at 4 o'clock. Brownieblends. And when I say he's dipping, I put too much lotion on. When I say he's dipping, I'm talking about dipping. I'm talking about better than me. I'm talking about on a whole nother level. All right. So we just gonna vlog today, and yeah. We got a waiver in the building before we cut Brownieblends. We got another waiver in the building. But y'all thought I was gonna go in. Y'all thought I was gonna go in, but yeah. I'm about to show you. The finished cut is gonna be now.
Transition.
Yeah.
Ooh.
We're done.
Wow.
We're already done. It's like already? Yeah. Yeah. YouTube, I dang near scared everybody in the shop. YouTube, we got Brownieblends in the building.
Sir, yes,
in the building. Y'all already know what kind of cut this is. Y'all already know what type of hair he got. You can't see it through a do-rag. For some reason, he decided to wear this colorful do-rag today. But you could kind of see it through the do-rag. I'm telling you, when I take this off with these hands here, when I take the do-rag off with these hands here, you guys gonna know that he's dipping though. Like y'all think I'm dipping, but he is just dipping though. All right, enough with the procrastination. We're about to take it off. He made it real difficult right now. Let's just see if we can do this with one hand. He made it real difficult, but I got do-rag untying skills though. Check the skills on the do-rag untying. All right, the moment of truth. Moment of truth. Wave check. Clean. Goodness great. The connection. The. Woo. Oh, I almost tripped. God. right now, I usually do like the whole little B-roll of the cut and all that stuff, but we ain't gonna do it on this one. I don't care about the cut. At this point, I don't care about the cut. I care about these waves right now. These waves, he's killing the game right now. One of the best to do it. Golly, look at the crown. Look at the crown. Hold on, I need that angle right there. There's certain angles that you need to hit. That right there is perfect. That's perfection. That's what you call just hard work, dedication. Man, I just want to brush the crown real quick. I just want to, let me just make that crown pop real quick. Man. One day I'll get there. One day I'll get there. My waves will look like this one day. Oh, man. Hey, first of all, where they can follow you at?
Follow me at Brownieblends on Instagram and YouTube. Brownieblends on there too.
Brownieblends, ladies and gentlemen. The link will be somewhere right here. Somewhere right here. The description, it'll be there. But, man, he is dipping right now. Forget the cut. Forget the cut. The wave stuff. All right, hold on. Just one more time. One more time for my sake.